In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove liked posts on LinkedIn. Whether you're refining your professional image or curating your digital footprint, managing what you like online plays a crucial role. So, let's jump right into it and take control of your LinkedIn activity. To begin, we're going to open up our web browser and navigate to LinkedIn's website at linkedin.com. Once there, log in to your LinkedIn account. You can do this through various methods, signing in with Google, Microsoft, or by using your email address and password. If your account is set up with two-factor authentication, make sure to enter the verification code sent to your phone for added security. This step is quick and paramount to safeguarding your account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on your main LinkedIn feed. Now it's time to locate that specific post, article, or comment that you previously liked and now wish to unlike. This content could be within your current feed or perhaps something you've interacted with in the past. Once you've pinpointed it, the next part is straightforward. Direct your cursor or finger over to the like icon or the reaction icon you initially selected. You'll notice this icon is highlighted, which indicates your previous interaction. To remove the like or reaction, simply click or tap on the icon again. As you do this, watch as the highlight disappears, confirming that the post is now unliked. It's vital to understand that by unliking a post, you effectively remove your endorsement from that content. Consequently, this post will no longer appear in your network's feed as something you've interacted with. However, keep in mind that depending on your LinkedIn settings, the duration for which your interactions appear on your personal activity feed may vary. This means that while you can still view your previous engagements, rest assured, they won't be broadcasted to your network once you've removed them. Remember that every time you like or react to something on LinkedIn, it's generally shared with your network. Managing these interactions is a great way to fine-tune your professional online presence, ensuring it reflects the image you wish to project. And there you have it. Removing likes on LinkedIn is truly as simple as it sounds, yet incredibly effective in helping you control what content you've endorsed. If ever you feel the need to reassess your online engagements, these steps will be here to guide you. Thank you for watching, and remember, small changes in managing your digital footprint can lead to a more polished professional persona.